We got the cotton candy blizzard today to make sure that.
I got that mint brownie blizzard.
I will say though, it like loses its effect.
It's gotta be like top 3. 9-3.
I don't even want to finish it. Yeah, I don't know if I'd recommend this. No, not it, bro. Yeah, don't get the cotton candy. It fucking sucks. It's trash. I don't even want this. No. Women are just as smart and funny as men. Get over it. Ah! It's anywhere from like a 9 to like a 3. This shit sucks.
This shit's gas.